Welcome to Absolute ERP. In our last video, we have covered how to see all your follow-up leads at one place. In this video, we are going to cover how to view all your marked meetings at one place in CRM. First, go to Meeting Details tab. Here, you will see all your marked meeting at one place. By using given filter above, you are able to categorize your meetings. As per your filterization above, your all meetings is appearing. Here you will see the previous history of this lead. Once your meeting has been done, then you will further update this lead by clicking Follow-up tab. Here, you will further update the comment, set, priority, status of this lead. As we already shown you. Here you can change the level of this meeting to follow-up, not interested, sales order, quotation, invoices, afterwards, submit, and your lead has been updated according to your set level. Your lead has been reflected in respective tabs, as we saw in our previous videos. Today, we have covered how to see all your marked meeting at one place, and how to take update over it. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, you stay tuned with our other videos.